I'm gonna make like I think a deployment system. I'm not gonna try and shoot them, but I think I'm gonna try and make it so that I have like a place on my body where I can press a button or something and one just drops into my hand. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Hope you enjoy. This is a calzone. I get a lot of calzones. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna use the smaller grenades, smaller in diameter. And basically, I want to be able to hold 2 on my person. So I need a tube about this long to hold them, and then I need a way to get them out. Maybe if I cut a tube right there, then have a little door. That'd be nice. Then I could spray paint the rest. I think that's good. Where's a pencil?
I could walk for days, searching for your brain. Is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how.
Alright, so it's the next day, and I have my my device here. Pretty crazy how it works. You just click that, light the fuse, pull that, instant smoke grenade. Yeah, so these are great. They're like 50 cents each, and they work super well. Like, this is producing a heck of a lot of smoke. A little more than halfway down, I think. They're by Black Cat Fireworks. I guess I'll leave a link in the description. Jesus. But, yeah. I'll just light another one just to show you. So overall, I think this launcher works pretty well. It did its job, which basically allowed me to light it, pull the pin, and add a lit grenade right in my hand. I don't think I'm going to use it for my Iron Man suit, but, you know, that's fine. I'm just going to let this go. Alright, that's done. So as I said, these smoke grenades, they're not as good as the ones you can get that are like official grenades. They do spew sparks and they smell pretty bad, but the selling point is the price. It's insanely cheap. Usually smoke grenades for Airsoft cost like $5 each. These are 50 cents, which is just crazy. It's also very hot, so be careful with that. Your local field probably won't allow these, but if you're playing in just backyard games, then it's fine. So, yeah. Pretty good.